Anything's allowed. Grab, early grab. We are officially out of ideas, people. Yeah! All right, guys, we have a very exciting thing for you today. What do we got?
No one told me.
Highest Ollie Challenge!
No one told me. You looked at me like I knew.
You didn't know? I thought we just went over this. Highest Ollie Challenge. You said, okay. And then straight into it. That's why we love you, Mowgli. Leave a comment below at mowglirocks.twitter.com.
Oh, that's scary.
It's drilled in.
I was wondering why this thing was stuck here. It all makes sense now. Yeah! That's a strong man right there. See that thing I posted about Cheez-Its or goldfish?
Yes. I voted for Cheez-Its even though I can't eat them anymore.
Really?
Dude, there's some goldfish, it like leaves fast. There's something about Cheez-Its, but I can't have Cheez-Its.
It's crazy 2 screws can hold this entire thing in place.
You guys know I'm not strong enough to move this. All right, boys.
Oh, now there's a screw sticking up.
Yeah.
We're all gonna die. Dude, your telepathic abilities have grown strong.
I'm so sorry. God.
Second video today we had to end. We are officially out of ideas, people. Send us some skateboards. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com.
You guys just see the nice cuteness of the demon dogs, but he likes to bite skateboards, and it's scary. And up, and up, and up.
Hey, this is out of my league on this one.
Why does the 3 block look so much bigger from right here without the 3 block?
Somebody could ollie up this.
John Hill.
I ain't lying.
Oh my gosh, he slipped! Alright, Aaron, what's your prediction on this?
I got my money on Daniel.
I got my money on Ollie.
I forgot how gnarly this is.
Is it actually possible to pop off this, or is it just like a launch off?
You know, I don't know. I really wish Andy Anderson was here, though. He'd probably like do a handstand on the rafter. Oh, that's it.
Oh, awesome guy.
How high did I get?
About 4 inches.
Okay, I better actually get some ollies. What are you, Mowgli, you gonna be in this?
You got to actually ollie.
Whoa!
Somebody's gonna get nutted on this for sure.
Oh yeah! Yeah, Nigel! Oh! Holy crap, dude! That was like 8 feet high! That was good.
Now that I ollied it, should we put some boards up?
Yep. One question though, are grabs allowed in this?
Anything's allowed. Grab, early grab, back foot grab.
So it doesn't have to go very far back for this one.
I don't think so.
Yeah! Whoa!
I gotta do at least one Benihana in this video.
Easier
I
over
gotta
one
get
board.
it out of the way early.
Oh my god!
I think we're done.
2?
That was fire. You know what, Aaron? I think that Ollie is a security guard reincarnated as a dog. I think that's what it is. Oh. I think you're getting over a solid 7 or 8.
How
dude.
could I not? Why did I not land that though?
I don't know. Dude, it's not gonna, the risk factor is high. Yeah!
Oh Oh boy! We don't got enough boards.
Mr. Aaron Cairo, can you speak on the increased risk of this maneuver over the 5-stair launch?
Well, I don't know if you've ever seen that clip on the internet where this guy flies up and then he nuts on boards like this. Oh, that's what I'm scared of because this goes high. There's like a lot less control. Maybe we might need to move it back a little bit more. But on the 5-stair one, you're going more forward. On this one, you're just going like straight up and down almost. So we're trying to like go over something straight up and down. I got my money on
You.
Nigel.
At least you have your children now, so.
Yeah, at least my sons can see me die today.
You gotta carry the momentum with you.
I don't know how
bro.
to do it.
You gotta keep it under you. Let the board follow your leg.
That's way harder than it looks.
I want to grab melon, but maybe I should just get the ollie out of the way.
I missed the catch.
Number 4?
Maybe 5 for me.
You're at least 7.
No way.
My arm, elbow, and all my fingers out of its socket.
Number 4.
Maybe 8. This one's way easier to boost on. I tried to bone it.
Yeah! There we go!
Good pop.
That was 7.
I don't know about that.
Dude, hardest part, honestly, is climbing back up that quarter pipe.
There we go.
I tried every ounce of energy I had to stay on that. I'm trying to get Glow to do it. He's over it. You just gotta keep his feet on.
Yeah!
Oh boy! They just trying to have fun. They just trying to skate.
All right, number 5. Number 5. Hello. All right, Glow, first tee. You hit the wheel and it's spinning. No! That was it! You gotta get that. That was it. Yeah! Do a regular one, huh? All right, we're good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That was your one. It's all good.
He said, "This might be my limit, fellas." I think he needs to go a little closer now. Glow, glow, glow! Like nothing!
I just try to ride off.
All right, you guys are good. I'm
That's
tapping
7.
out.
I think I said 8.
8, you think is the limit?
Yeah, I think so. But no, and these guys probably 10.
Nigel's going really high.
Yeah, he is.
I think we're past the point of where if you don't make it, you're getting, you know? Yeah, that's the one. That's the one right there. Yeah, that's the limit.
Oh, yep.
All right, you good.
You gotta scoot it back a little bit.
Let's go.
Let's go. I had more faith in him. Oh no!
All right, number 8. We're in nut territory. Oh! Come on, one more.
I cannot.
Dude, you got that.
I'm
You cleared
gonna
it.
die.
You cleared
I'm
it.
gonna land right there, and it's gonna be over for all kids.
You got it, dude. Nice. Good save.
Indy. Tap out time. Tap out
Honestly,
time.
you cleared that. You got at least one more. You
No.
cleared it a lot, dude. I swear.
No.
I swear.
It gets really scary because you're like basically like going straight up and it feels like you're just coming straight down. So if you're not on your board at all, you're dead. Like the other one, you're launching forward more. So you don't, the worst thing you would do is like hit the board's forward momentum. But this one, you're going, yeah.
Wow. Oh! I think it might have just been the wind.
Oh yeah, that's good. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go, boy!
This is harder than the 5-stair.
For real.
But why?
I'm just putting my life at risk here, no big deal.
Oh, yeah.
14 boards above it. Mowgli!
You like laying your head there? Is this comfortable for you? That's 10, huh?
Yeah, you got this.
Oh, boy.
I don't know what to think, to be honest. I just keep looking at Ollie.
Oh, boy! Should we do another one? Glow, bring your board up here. See, boy? Oh!
This man, Gabe, would rather be in the ocean swimming with sharks than skydive. Like, that makes no sense. He's skydiving for Veterans Day this year if it's on.
I'm not
So
even filming that.
I already told him. Aaron said he's gonna convince the wife. We're gonna go skydiving.
I don't want to die.
You're not going to.
For me, it's going too fast for me to predict where to pop. Sometimes I feel like I'm just floating up it.
You gonna go one more or is that
Yeah,
it?
I'm gonna do it. I told you.
So, put your foot where you ollie. When you do an ollie, I don't see you ollie with your foot right here.
I just feel comfortable.
Well,
so that's wrong?
Yes.
That's wrong.
Put it back and
Like
do an ollie.
how far back?
Go a little bit, a little bit more.
Above the eye?
Sure, about right there. And then do an ollie.
So
That's
above
it.
the eye. All right. So that will make a huge difference compared to where I had it on the bolt.
100.
All right.
You came for the video, you stayed for the skate support. Wow. Boy, keep those feet on.
All right, I got it.
All right, notification squad, leave it in the comments below. How many tries did this take Mowgli? Let's go. This just goes to show there's no such thing as failure. It's just giving up. He will do it if he just keeps going.
Crazy workout. Thanks to Aaron and his tips. Y'all should get skateboarding made simple because it'll help you like it helped me right now.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's the most fun you'll ever have. It'll change your life. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.